Welcome to class. My name is Tom, the tutor of this video. In the last video we installed Python version 3.10 on the Red Hat Enterprise Linux server. In this video I am going to show you how to install Pycharm on Red Hat Linux. Log on to the server with an ordinary user account. Go to the Pycharm official website. Click Download. Download the Linux version of the Pycharm Community Edition. Save the file to the download directory. Within a few minutes the download is done. Open the command terminal. Go to the download directory. The Pycharm archive is there. Extract the installation files to the op directory with the tar command. The sudo command is required to escalate the privilege to write the extracted files to the op directory. OK, extraction has been completed. Go to the op directory. This is the Pycharm installation directory produced by the tar command. The installation script is in the bin directory. Go into it. To install Pycharm, run this script. The graphical interface shows up. Click Customize. Adjust the color scheme and the font size to your preferences. Click Projects. Then New Project. Accept default parameters for our first project. Click Create to create a new project. Pycharm is performing indexing. Wait until it is done. OK, done. Pycharm is cross-platform. Operations on Linux and Microsoft Windows are virtually the same. To create a new program module file, right-click the project. Select Python file. Create a new Python module. Add a print statement. To run the module, right-click on the module. Select Run. Python ran the module successfully. You may have already noticed that the interpreter currently in use is Python 3.6. It is an older version that comes along with Red Hat. We installed a newer version in the last video. To change the interpreter, click File, Settings. Select Project. Then Python Interpreter. Choose Add. Select the interpreter for the existing environment. Locate the new version of Python that was installed in the last video. It is in the USR bin directory. OK, apply the change. Now the current interpreter has become version 3.10. Rerun the program. Correct. Pycharm is now using Python version 3.10 as the interpreter for this project. Suppose we now exit Pycharm. How can we reopen it? Pycharm provides a simple way to create a launcher script, as well as a desktop icon. Click Tool. These two options can generate the command line launcher script and the desktop icon. First, create the command line launcher script. After done, we can open Pycharm by typing the name charm from the command shell. Authentication is required for the launcher script. Next, create a desktop entry to launch Pycharm. Click OK to confirm. Now exit Pycharm. Open a command terminal. From the terminal, type charm. Successfully launch the application. Now it's the turn for the desktop icon. Click Activities. Then select Show Applications. The Pycharm icon is here. We can add it to favorites. OK, click the icon. Perfect. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.